So over here on the project assets section, I have a footage right here. So this footage has haze in it, as you can see right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to remove out the haze so that I can see the contents of this video clearly. And in that case, you can utilize the haze removal effect. So to do that, first of all, you need to select out this clip right here and then go around under effects. And under advanced adjustments right here, you'll be able to see haze removal effect right here. So you can go around and click and drag this out right here and then keep it over here under haze removal. And then you can see that it is less hazy. You can go around and increase out the sensitivity out right here or decrease out the sensitivity as well, just like this. And you can see that it brings out the details over here in the footage. You can remove the auto haze removal right here and increase and decrease out the haze reduction and sensitivity as you like as well. So you can really make it like this as well. So you can see the before and after right here. So you can see that there's less contrast right here, but as long as now I apply the haze removal effect, you can see that I get more details in this footage right here. And that is how you can utilize the haze removal effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements and get more detail out of your video footage. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.